How to get a loan on Nayapay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I walk you through how to apply for a loan using Nayapay, a quick and hassle-free process that can be completed in just a few steps. So for the first step, what is Nayapay? Nayapay is a digital financial platform that offers various services, including personal loans for its users. To qualify for a loan, you need to be a registered user on Nayapay and maintain a solid credit history. And to do so, it's very easy. You just have to open the Nayapay app and then click on Get Started. Here you will find the links for the app on the Google Play Store and the App Store. And you will have to download the app and make your account and set up everything correctly. Now, how to create an account. If you haven't signed up already, you can head to the Nayapay website, as I have told you right now, and upload or download the app of Nayapay. You will need to provide your full name, your residential address, and your income information. You'll also go through identity verification and upload proof of earnings, so you have to upload an ID picture of you. Now, for the third step is to check your eligibility. Now, once your account is set up, log in and go to the loan section. The system will ask you a few questions to evaluate your financial status. Based on your answers, Nayapay will show you the loan options you're eligible for. Now, step 4, if you are eligible for a loan, you can choose a loan package that fits your need. You'll need to select the loan amount, choose a repayment period, and agree to the term and conditions. Nayapay will then review your application and notify you of their decision. Step 5, the final one, is to receive your funds. If approved, your loan amount will be deposited directly into your Nayapay account. You can use the funds as needed, but make sure to follow the repayment schedule. And then I will give you a pro tip. You have to always make payments on time to avoid penalties and protect your credit rating. Now, a final tips for a smooth approval. You can provide accurate and complete information. So that's very important. You have to keep your credit in good standing. You have to read all your loan terms carefully and only borrow what you need and pay your repayments wisely. By following these steps, you can successfully secure a loan through Nayapay and move closer to your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides like this. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.